Introducing PromptMate's e-commerce social media content template. Generate social media content effortlessly tailored specifically for e-commerce businesses. First, copy the e-commerce website URL that you want to create content for. Then paste it on the template's input field and click on Run. The first prompt of the template will explore the website thoroughly to understand their products, services, brand voice, and unique selling propositions. Based on USP, brand voice, product, and target audience, the second prompt will create 30 topics useful to write captions that are engaging, brand consistent, and product related. The third prompt will write a long-form caption for each topic for week 1 from the topics list. At the beginning of each topic, it will mention the actual topic as a title. Then, to complete the full month in the next prompts, it will do so for week 2, week 3, and week 4. As you can see, this template is your solution for effortless social media content creation for e-commerce businesses. Simply input your e-commerce website URL or choose your All Products or Collections URL, and let our template work its magic. It automatically generates captivating captions and organizes a comprehensive social media plan for 7 posts per week, covering all 4 weeks of the month. Elevate your online presence with engaging content, without the hassle of manual planning. Streamline your social media strategy and watch your e-commerce brand thrive. For more information, visit promptmate.io. The only tool you need to skip to the finish line.